Not you. Not you. Oh, this little one, no. Okay.
Stella.
So they don't get no more. Hold on, there, that one. Come on, man.
Hey, not you. Not you.
Quick. You're storing them now. Eat
There's
them,
one
you
there.
got them now. Hey.
Give me man. Let me take a picture.
That's it. All gone. You just ate.
That's it.
Right.
Very greedy. Very greedy. They love nuts, don't they? Is that their favorite food?
Yeah.
Nuts.
No. Yeah, that's a whole about
Yeah, he's there.
they always hang around because of the highness when they leftovers and they just like
Who did vulture?
make it.
Call them drunkro in Jamaica. Drunkro. Yeah.
Oi, come here. Not run.
That's hyena.
That's a highness.
I haven't seen one close up ever before.
Oh wow.
Big dogs.
They are cool.
Wow. They look the same on TV.
Yeah.
Only bigger.
They're huge.
They're vicious, don't they?
Hmm?
They do attack. They cannot. If you go in there, they will attack you.
They well, so they might.
Yes.
If they don't know you.
Yeah. Because they kill lions. They kill big.
They will kill.
Wildebeest,
They'll
and-
find, yeah. Well, like one hyena would definitely not attack you.
Yeah.
They
In
will
packs.
die. They live in clans. We
Clans,
call them
yeah.
clans, and they range
Yeah.
from 5 hyenas upward.
Yeah.
Quite big, you know.
That's why in the wild, if we chase away, like they will chase lions and that.
Yeah, chase of a lion.
So they 100% scavengers. That's a monkey there, a black monkey.
It's a monkey.
Don't ask the red colobus. And for them, they just feed on leaves.
Okay.
We got almost 17, 18 hyenas here. Well, they're separated in different enclosures because they
Yeah, still inside the nature park. Closest I ever get to monkeys, I tell you. I'm telling you. Actually fed them out my hands. Very first time. And these are the hyenas here. Quite big. They're quite big, these hyenas.
they'll fight for it. They look very nice. But hyenas are also kind of termed as harmful like animals. Because the boy and the girl still have the same sex organs.
Yeah,
Okay.
hyenas.
Yeah, hyenas.
I remember that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
They, well, with the female, they don't get like external openings in there.
yeah.
So they got like it is called inside the pseudo penis. In a sense, that's where it weighs and give back and stuff. So
Okay.
it's kind of complicated and crazy. But
So male can make the male, so to speak. If that's
no,
the
no.
case, no?
You still got the female,
Yeah.
but the male will definitely just mate with the female. 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't know me. Within them, they know exactly like.
Yeah,
Way not, but me and you here, standing here, especially with you guys, it will be very hard to differentiate the male and the female when they are up.
Okay.
Like, especially when they don't have babies and that.
Yeah.
So yeah, because they got all the sex organs are like
Yeah.
the same, so it's very
Yeah.
very hard to tell.
hard to tell.
Which is
Yeah.
the male and which is the
Yeah.
female.
Unless you know what you're doing, but yeah. Yeah. No fighting.
No fighting.
It's really great.
Not getting on. No,
Please don't give him
you're too rude.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you tell him off.
Yeah.
Go hard.
No.
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 Just go away.
Hmm. No, look at me, nigga.
What are you fighting for?
Got no food.
What are you
Very
fighting
nice.
for?
There you go.
Are you gonna fight again? Hmm? Don't fight again. Me not have no more to do. Still looking for the next one. Yeah. Never. See the shy one, isn't it? Yeah, see, I know. Remember you with the cut in your back. These. Nature park, yeah.
Hippo. It was
There's a hippo head.
it was killed in 2014
Yeah.
in CRR.
Look at this
It was-
hippo head.
Yeah, it's a huge one.
Whoa. That's his eyes, yeah.
Yeah,
Massive.
Ears.
the huge
Wow, they're huge.
hippos are here. Yeah.
Wow.
That's really, really like, you don't see them on TV.
That's his
You don't
canines
realise
there.
how big they really
Yeah,
are.
yeah. I always use you see them in real.
Mm.
Huge.
And that.
And
It's a hippo
one
head,
thing
this is.
You don't want to mess around with.
It's a
hippo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they can
Yeah.
run quite
It's
fast
a-
as
yeah.
well.
Proper
Even though
killer.
they
They're
do.
fast.
Yeah.
And if they grab you with a one slap down with that mouth. Yeah. Massive. That's why I wouldn't walk through this bush now because of the snakes. Do you have rattler snake here as well?
Well, rats in
In the Gambia?
Nah.
Puff father.
Yeah, we got profiles, lots of them. Lots of them.
And they're dangerous as well.
Yeah, they are
Danger.
right, really venomous. And the reason, and it kills more people in the Gambia and anything because
Yeah.
they're really camouflage.
Okay.
Blend in with the leaves,
Yeah.
so it's very hard to tell. And the moment you step on
Yeah.
them,
Shilo, here's Kalalo.
yeah.
Yeah. That's Kalalo. What's
More highlights, just sleeping,
Mhm.
lazy and that. And just lying down there.
So what do they feed the Ainohan? What do they
Here we feed them with red meat, like
Huh?
cow meat,
cow meat and
sheep
things
and
like
that,
that? Okay. Okay. And that's why the vulture.
Yeah, it's hanging around.
Yeah.
It's just more of them.
Yeah.
laying
He's
down.
laying there. There's
'Cause now they
chilling.
had their dinner, so
Yeah.
can't be bothered to be moving around the desert. Like.
Yeah. So have you ever put any wild animal, any animal in there so they
The
could,
live one,
the live one,
no, not really.
so they could have a go?
Yeah.
I mean, why it's a bit too cruel. For watch.
Exactly, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
This is like skin bit. So,
There's some wooded vulture, as they call it. We call them janko. They're in the trees there. And they hang around the hyena pen because they actually feed the hyena on raw meat, and that's why the vultures they hang around. So,
just don't get too close. You got bees going around. So I think
okay, it's bees
back
there.
again. I'm not a big fan of bees.
I don't like bees either.
Come on. You mau masih darah.
I don't like bees either.
Not a big fan of them. So yeah, unfortunately that's what we got like animals right here.
Alright, man, calm down.
Give me one banana.
I'm going to give him banana.
I'm gonna eat it
Oh.
and give him some.
That's cheesy.
Alright. Try to attack. If
Let him open it himself. That's so mean.
celebration.
You must be best friend now. Wow.
Whoa, he's all gone.
Don't think you love banana like me. I love banana.
What?
Oh, this one come now finally. It's the one they cut in his back was shy.
I don't like it. Nice, ladies.
I just give you a banana.
He's got some hidden in his mouth.
Here's one there. They're all everywhere. Loads of them everywhere. Everywhere. They don't make you touch them, do they?
No.
Like stroke them. They won't allow that, would they? I notice. You can go that close, but you're not stroking them.
Now it's just
Huh?
food.
Huh?
Right now it's just the food, that's why it's hanging
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
So if there's no food,
If they're food, then I
they're
hang
not your
them.
friend.
You know?
Yeah.
Bit selfish. Okay. Okay, let's chat back out then.